Looking for a Tresorit alternative? While Tresorit excels at secure cloud storage and sharing, it's less ideal for local Android backups, USB transfers, or offline access. Here are 6 top replacements that balance security, features, and cost for personal and business use. Number 1. Best Tresorit alternative: MobiKin Android Backup and Restore. MobiKin Backup Manager for Android, Windows, and Mac is a reliable alternative to Tresorit for users focused on backing up and restoring Android data locally, without cloud dependency. How-to guide: install MobiKin Backup Manager for Android on your computer. Connect your Android phone or tablet via USB and activate USB debugging. Launch the program and choose the backup option. Follow the on-screen hints to copy files from your phone to PC or Restore to fetch them. Number 2. Box. Box serves as a strong Tresorit alternative with robust cloud storage, advanced collaboration features, and enterprise-level security. It supports real-time syncing and file sharing across multiple platforms, making it ideal for both individual and business use. Number 3. M-Files. M-Files is a powerful alternative to Tresorit, especially for businesses managing complex documents and workflows. Its metadata-based structure and automated compliance features go beyond standard file storage. Number 4. Filestash. Filestash is a flexible and self-hostable alternative to Tresorit that supports various backends like FTP, FTP, WebDAV, and S3. It offers broad protocol compatibility through a browser-based interface, giving users control over how and where their files are stored. Number 5. Hoodik. Hoodik offers a privacy-centric alternative to Tresorit with open-source architecture and full self-hosting capabilities. It provides complete data ownership and control without reliance on third-party servers. Number 6. ShareFile. ShareFile is a business-focused alternative to Tresorit with added features like e-signature, integration, client portals, and audit trails. It's particularly well-suited for industries requiring compliance with regulations like HIPAA or GDPR.